Merry Christmas, everyone! Welcome back to Snacks and Facts. I'm Caitlin Hill, and here's some snack-sized history and this thing that I'm gonna eat. Today's snack is eggnog. Wait, that's not a snack. For anyone who doesn't know, eggnog is made up of milk, sugar, eggs, spices, and alcohol, and I am totally enjoying the store. It dripped on me, yes. And I am totally enjoying the sacrilegious store-bought variety, which I wouldn't recommend. This drink here contains only 0.5% egg powder.
And absolutely 0% nog.
But I looked up all the ingredients and they aren't too bad. It's mostly just eggnog flavored milk instead of actual eggnog. Have you had real eggnog before? Let me know. Do you like it or hate it, and why? Why do you like it and why do you hate it?
Tell me!
Eggnog just wasn't that big in my family, so no one else really seems to like it as much as I do, so we never made the real thing. But what is the real thing? Where did eggnog come from? Oh, makes me want to sneeze. Though we aren't quite sure where exactly the recipe comes from, it is believed to have originated from a medieval British drink called posset. Posset? I didn't look that up. Unprofessional moment. Which is sort of a hot, milky ale and was originally used as a cold and flu remedy. Monks are recorded as adding eggs and figs to their posset drinks in about the 13th century. The ingredients in eggnog were not easily affordable in medieval Britain, so it was mostly drunk by the upper classes as a symbol of future wealth and good health. Eggnog became a Christmas tradition in the early 18th century when it transitioned to America, where the ingredients were much cheaper and easier to come by. Once again, we're not sure why it was then given the name eggnog, which it was commonly known as by the end of the 18th century. In Times, a brief history of eggnog, linked below, it is suggested that nog comes from noggin, which means wooden cup that was used to serve alcohol. So that could be the origin, or nog could come from the archaic use of the word meaning a very strong beer. So, give me an egg beer, barkeep. Kind of like that. That could be a thing. It could be a thing! And eggnog was really strong back then. People added so much alcohol to eggnog that the beverage even started a riot in the US Military Academy in West Point in 1826. Different varieties of eggnog, all made with either more local alcohols or ingredients, exist around the world. Anyway, today is Boxing Day in Australia and in other Commonwealth countries around the world. It is a secular holiday that has mostly become known as being a shopper's holiday, sort of like Black Friday or Super Saturday. In Australia, it is also the start of the Boxing Day cricket test, which I'm sure is sometimes interesting, and the start of the Sydney to Hobart yacht race, which you may have heard of because teams from countries around the world compete. Boxing Day itself seems to be based in gratuities given to people in service or from the Middle Ages when an alms box was placed in churches to give to the poor. The box to those in service would contain gifts, bonuses, and food from the day before. Some say it originated because people in service would serve rich families on Christmas Day, so the day after Christmas was for them to see their own families and celebrate. Eventually, the box became a way of asking for a cash donation for the services rendered throughout the year. Pleasant. So how was your Christmas day? Let me know in the comments. Thank you to anyone watching during this holiday period. I appreciate your time. Next week we'll be back with more fun facts about the UK. So Happy New Year, and here's to a fact-filled 2019.